so pleased with the beautiful singing of what a performance. And so we would like to recognize and honor him because this is the biggest event every single year, and he puts his heart and soul into making this special treat. His daughter is here, one of his daughters is here, and I'm going to ask her to come on up as well onto the stage and celebrate this fine.
Especially awesome that I finally got a home here at Whittier. Thank you so much for making this a huge, huge celebration for the kids. Love you guys, I'll miss you, but thank you so much for coming.
For being a part of this performance. Again, it was an outstanding performance and the kids were fantastic, so thank you.